This one is the little budget workhorse you keep seeing in Best Buy's lists. The model, typically called the Hexium AZ80600 80mm Aperture 600mm focal length, is sold as a fully multi-coated refractor on an AZ mount and often bundles a smartphone adapter, an adjustable aluminum tripod, a wireless remote, and a carrying bag. When I check the live pages, the listing commonly shows it in the roughly $90 to $110 range. Prices vary by region and promotions, with many thousands of reviews and an average rating around 4.3 out of 5 on the listing I inspected, which explains why it's frequently recommended for parents and first-time stargazers. For content creators, that combination of price, accessories, and repeatable performance is golden. You can film assembly, phone-through eyepiece shots, and what you can actually see test that resonates with viewers. So how does it perform live? Across community reviews and demo videos, the consensus is the Hexium gives surprisingly pleasing lunar and planetary views for the money. Bright moon, Jupiter's belts hinted at, and Saturn as a small disk where rings are suggested on steady nights. The trade-offs are familiar. At high power, color fringing, chromatic aberration appears, the tripod isn't rock solid for long exposure astrophotography, and star images remain modest when light pollution is present. Reviewers on YouTube and praise its value and ease of use, but also advise tempering expectations. It's a look what you can get for $100 telescope, not a long-term hobbyist instrument. If you show a few on-sky clips in your vlog, moon close-ups and Jupiter, viewers get the exact idea, which is why it's viral among beginner telescope videos. Pros: excellent value, bundled accessories, phone adapter plus carrying bag plus remote, straightforward setup for live streams or short demos. Cons: tripod stability and chromatic aberration at higher magnifications, not ideal for imaging or advanced planetary work. Give viewers the practical closing. If you want the exact options I tried, we share by links in description box, and tell them which scenes you recommend filming.